Malaysians are nationals and citizens who are identified with the country of Malaysia. Although citizens make up the majority of Malaysians, non-citizen residents and overseas Malaysians may also claim a Malaysian identity. The country is home to people of various national, ethnic and religious origins. As a result, many Malaysians do not equate their nationality with ethnicity, but with citizenship and allegiance to Malaysia. Majority of the population, however, belong to several clearly defined racial groups within the country with their own distinct cultures and traditions. Malays, Orang Asli. The majority of the non-Malay and non-Aboriginal population in modern Malaysia is made up of immigrants and their descendants. Following the initial period of Portuguese, Dutch and then significantly longer British colonization, different waves of immigration and settlement of non-Aboriginal peoples took place over the course of nearly 5 centuries and continue today. Malayan independence from United Kingdom in 1957 grew gradually over the course of latter part of the 20th century since the formation of the Federation of Malaya in 1948. World War II in particular gave rise to a desire amongst Malayans to have their country recognized as a fully fledged sovereign state with a distinct citizenship. As of 2010, Malaysians make up 0.4% of the world's total population. Having relied upon immigration for population growth and social development, approximately 30% of current Malaysians are first or second generation immigrants, and 20% of Malaysian residents in the 2000s were not born in Malaysian soil. It is estimated, by 2031, nearly one-half of Malaysians above the age of 15 will be foreign-born or have one foreign-born parent. Bumiputera, according to the 2010 Malaysian census, numbered at 17,523,508, a 61.85% of the country's 28,334,135 population. The Malaysian diaspora has a population of 1,730,152 in 2019. According to the United Nations Department of Economic and Social Affairs, Malaysia does not keep track of emigration, and counts of Malaysians abroad are thus only available courtesy of statistics kept by the destination countries. The diaspora includes both descendants of early emigrants from Malaysia, as well as more recent emigrants from Malaysia. Since independence, a total of 688,766 naturalized foreigners had been granted Malaysian citizenship, while 10,828 individuals had their citizenships revoked. The community of Malaysians in Australian External Territory of Christmas Island makes up the majority of the population, while Singapore has the largest minority community of Malaysians, with 952,261 people, followed by Bangladesh, Australia, the United Kingdom and the United States. Classification of 2010 Census Ethnic Group is as said by Interagency Technical Committee in Appendix 1. IATC is a committee formed to coordinate and monitor the implementation and use of standardized codes, classifications and definitions used by the Department of Statistics, Malaysia and other government agencies, for the purpose of tabulation and analysis, as well as taking into account the diverse ethnic group in Peninsular Malaysia, Sabah, Federal Territory of Labuan and Sarawak. Major ethnic groups according to region as follows: Malay Kadazan Dusun Baju Murut Malay Iban Bidayu Orang Ulu Melanau Other Bumiputera Other Malays, Anak Dagang Indonesian Non-Bumiputera Chinese Indian Others. Information collected in the census including ethnic group and citizenship was based on respondents' answer and did not refer to any official document. Information on citizenship should be used with caution as it is subject to content and coverage errors, especially for non-citizens, as in censuses in most countries. Malaysia contains speakers of 137 living languages, 41 of which are found in Peninsular Malaysia. Malaysian, or Standard Malay, is the official language, while English is considered the de facto language for business. The Bumiputera speak various Austronesian and Austroasiatic languages as well as smaller language families such as Tai Kadai and Creoles. Chinese Malaysians predominantly speak varieties of Chinese from the southern provinces of China. The more common varieties in the country are Cantonese, Mandarin, Hokkien, Hak, Teoyu, Hainanese, and Fuzhou. Tamil is the predominant among Indian Malaysians, though languages like Telugu, Malayalam and Punjabi are also spoken. The Malaysian constitution guarantees freedom of religion while making Islam the state religion. According to the Population and Housing Census 2010 figures, ethnicity and religious beliefs correlate highly. Approximately 61.3% of the population practice Islam, 19.8% practice Buddhism, 9.2% Christianity, 6.3% Hinduism and 1.3% practice Confucianism, Taoism and other traditional Chinese religions. 0.7% declared no religion and the remaining 1.4% practiced other religions or did not provide any information.